Hello viewers, Orko once again, and today I will be reviewing and unboxing Vega Off-Road Dual Visor black color helmet. Yes, the black color is looking so stunning. It's extremely shining. Just look at the helmet from all of its sides. It's beautiful. It's attractive. As the logo Vega is written on the sunshade, and the main visor is protected with film, and it can be opened like this. There you are getting the sun visor or sun goggles, you can say it. Yes, look at the sun visor. Yes, it's carved in the place of your nose. Let's close it, and now it's time to look inside and check the padding. So the padding are also very good, and for your information, this helmet costed me around 1272 rupees. I have purchased this helmet from Amazon.